Hi guys, good morning all. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the TestNG framework. So first of all, let me explain you about what is TestNG. What is the use of this TestNG? So first, what is TestNG here is, TestNG is one type of testing framework which is used for unit testing, end-to-end testing, integration testing, and system testing. So we already learned in manual testing or other topics like what is unit testing, what is end-to-end testing, and what is integration testing and system testing and all. So here the TestNG is one type of testing framework which is used for unit testing, end-to-end testing, system testing, and integration testing. So here the TestNG is inspired by JUnit and NUnit. Actually, the developers use JUnit to do the unit testing. So here, behalf of JUnit and NUnit, it is a very additional one and it is very advanced one, and it provides additional features compared to JUnit. TestNG will provide additional features compared to JUnit. And you know that TestNG is a Java programming language. So with the help of Java programming, we will work with the TestNG. And it is developed by a person called as Cedric Buist. Cedric Buist is a person who developed this TestNG. And here the TestNG means test next generation. The abbreviation of TestNG is test next generation. So that is what TestNG is. So and here in this TestNG, what we can do is we can build the different classes, interfaces, and different methods. What we have done, we learn all these things in Java. So now we will work here with us. So let us discuss what are the advantages of TestNG. So what is advantage here is annotations are easier to understand. What are the annotations we need to understand first in this TestNG is, so annotation always starts with at the rate symbol. Annotation always starts with at the rate symbol. So without giving annotation, the TestNG in TestNG, the test case will not be acceptable. Okay. So annotations are easier to understand and test case can be grouped more easily. So for suppose in manual testing, we have written the test cases in MS Excel sheet, right? So number of test cases we are having. So if you want to execute each and every test case, we want to execute particularly each and every test case. Right. So here in TestNG, we can group all the test cases at a time and parallel testing is possible. So what is parallel testing here in the sense is, so if suppose if you're having a number of packages in a project and if you're having a number of classes in a package, so we can execute all these test cases at a time. So that's why I am saying that a parallel testing is possible. Okay. So next come for annotation. What are annotations? What are the different types of annotations we have in TestNG and what are the use of annotations in TestNG is? So see, annotations we have here is at the rate test is one type of annotation. So before this, we need to have the at the rate symbol. At the rate symbol is mandatory in TestNG. If you give the at the rate symbol, then only the test case will be acceptable. Otherwise, the test case will become the duplicate one and it will not be executable. Okay. So at the rate test is one type of test case, and at the rate before test and at the rate after test also we are having another annotations. So at the rate before test, we will give the before the test what the test we are writing we will give before the test, and after test is after completing the test we will give. And at the rate before method and the rate at the rate after method, you know what are the methods in Eclipse we are going to write, right? And after class, before class, at the rate after class and at the rate before class. So these are the different type of annotations we have in TestNG. So going on practically, I will tell you how to use this annotation, what is the purpose of this annotation. I will explain you very clearly, right? So now we will start the installation of TestNG in our Eclipse. I mean the adding the plugins of TestNG in our Eclipse. So listen very carefully, guys. If you are having any doubts, you can comment in this video, right? So you can comment in the down of this video, right? So now I will show you the installation process. So first go to the Eclipse. So first go to the Eclipse. So here what will happen here is, so in the Eclipse we are having, just a minute, guys. Yeah. So in the Eclipse here we are having a menu bar, right? So here we are having the menu bar like file, edit, source, refactory, navigate, search, project, run, Windows help, like this. We are having different options in a menu bar. So first let us go for the help option. Go for the help option because now we are going to start the installation of TestNG. Okay, we are going to add the plugins of TestNG for Eclipse. So listen carefully. So now go to the help. Here you can see the option called install new software. So just click on the install new software option. Click on new software. So here, see here, it is asking a text area for us work with. Here we don't want to give anything. Just click on add button. Click on add. If you click on add, it will show you the pop-up like this. If you click on add button, it will show you the pop-up like this. It is asking the name and location for us. It is asking the name and location for us. So name we can give as TestNG. Okay, name we can give as TestNG. So location we need to go here. So from where we can get the location is, so go to the Google Chrome. So in the search box, we can type as TestNG. Can type as TestNG. If you see, if you type as TestNG, click on enter button, it will show you the official website of TestNG. See, https://testng.org. So this is a TestNG official website. So just click on this TestNG welcome. First official website, just click on this. If you click on this, it will show you the TestNG now available page. Okay. So just scroll down this page. Just scroll down this page. So here you can see the option called locations of the project. Locations of the project. It will show you the four options for you. TestNG, Eclipse plugin, IDE, IntelliJ plugin, Visual Studio Code plugin. So we need what? We need Eclipse, right? We are working with Eclipse. So we need Eclipse. Just click on Eclipse plugin. Click on Eclipse plugin. It will take you some GitHub page. It will take you to some GitHub page. So just to scroll down the page, scroll down the page here, you can see the updated sites, updated sites. So here we are having number of sites. We are having different number of sites. I mean different versions we are having. So we need the latest release. So see the mostly all people will use this latest release and latest beta. So let me explain you what is the difference between latest release and latest beta here is. Latest release means so the people who are working with the TestNG, they will use latest release. The people who are testing the TestNG, they will use latest beta. Okay. So for now, we are working with the TestNG, right? So just copy this URL from here. Copy this URL from here. Now go to the Eclipse and paste the URL here. Fine. Paste the URL here. Now click on add button. If you click on add button, so see here the TestNG will be added. Just expand this. You just expand this. So here you are having a four check boxes. So click on the first box. All the check boxes will be selected. Now go for next. Now go for next. So after again click on next. Again click on next. So later it will ask you to give the license agreement. So you have to click on the radio button. That is the second button. I accept the terms and conditions of license agreement. Click on the next one and click on next. So now your installation will be completed, right? Your installation will be completed. So now so it is already there in my device. So I'm not going to do guys. Okay. Oh, yeah. Let me wait. It is downloading. I will tell you. Wait for a few minutes. It will take some time here. Yeah. See guys. So see here it will show all the TestNG plugins these are. So now you just click on finish. So it will show the page like this. Just click on finish. So if you click on finish, just a minute, it is already there in my device. Yeah, see guys. So after this, it will show you some accept. I mean agreement license page. So you need to click on the second radio button. That is, I accept the terms and conditions of license agreement. So now, if you want to know whether the TestNG is installed in your Eclipse, I mean installed in your device or not. So you have to check whether it is there or not. So again, go to the help and come to the about Eclipse IDE and click on installation details. So here you can check in search box, you can check as TestNG. So you see my TestNG is there in my Eclipse, right? My TestNG is there in my Eclipse. Okay. So my TestNG is added for now. That's all guys. So we'll continue in the next video.